Hi friends, let's learn the letter C. The letter C makes two sounds. The hard C sounds like this, k, and the soft C sounds like this, s. Carrot starts with the letter C. Let's fill in our carrot using the color orange. Now, my friends, let's add more details to our carrot. It is also important that we add green leaves to our carrot, as this is a very important part of the carrot. That looks great! Now, let's add a little bit more detail by outlining our leaves. As we add details to the leaves, what else can you think of that starts with the letter C? I've got a word. How about the word car? Or what about the word clock? A word that starts with a soft C is circus. Great job thinking of words. Let's learn a few facts about carrots. Carrots are a root vegetable. We eat the part of the carrot that grows underground. Today, carrots come in a variety of colors like purple, red, white, yellow, and orange. Thank you for learning about carrots and the letter C with me today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.